Me again. Hi. As you know, we did the first part of putting the thing on, which you didn't get to see me put it on because the video did stupid. Sometimes the YouTube works, sometimes it don't. So we have a few more minutes. It's very easy, and it does have the ingredients on the back. It has the instructions. It also has it in another language, so it's not like it's not in there, and it directions on how to place it on your face and everything else. And it just sits upon your face. You sit back, you watch TV or just crochet, whatever you're comfortable with. Um, Put a straw in your glass so you can keep drinking your water. Um, it is important to always keep fluids in your system, and one of the main fluids is water. So, I mean, if you want to color it up with Kool-Aid and everything else, I guess okay, but I use fruits, lemons, strawberries, limes, and I'll make a jug with cinnamon, lemon, a hint of lime, a whole lemon sliced up. I put a cinnamon stick in the water. Um, you can put a little honey in if you want. Shake it up, let it sit in the refrigerator, get good and cold. I like it good and cold, or over ice, whichever way you want. But it's a way to get water down in you and not have an excuse, oh, I don't want to drink water all the time, because it is flavored. And it's naturally flavored. It's not flavored down with a lot of sugar and stuff, because honey is a better sugar form for you compared to sugar. I know they've got sugars out there supposedly that you can use, but sometimes you kind of stick with the stuff that kind of gives whatever. Now, this is just like facial. It kind of helps, get some toxins off of it, open up some pores, maybe make you feel better. It is relaxing. If your face has been, if you've been stressed up, your face really shows. It really shows in your face. And I just between working out and trying to do this and that, a lot of the other people are running my league for me because I just have been stressed out and uptight and trying to get a chance to find a way to calm down and not deal with things that stress me out. So between exercising, changing my attitude, getting outside of my box, and working with my products and reaching out to people with different things, different items, it makes me feel good that I do know that I have some people that are watching me, that are into what I'm doing and my programs. They listen. Today was a facial thing. I really wanted to show you what a facial thing. My main products that I use daily is my greens. It's a powdered form, 2 scoops. Put it in water, or mix it up into your smoothies, whatever you choose, and stir it up really, really, really good. Drink it straight down, get it gone. I like the chews. They're really, they're good. They almost like melt in your mouth, and it's like it chews like a Tootsie Roll, or a soft, semi-soft caramel. Um, but the flavors burst in your mouth and just like having a party going on in there, and you get the flavor. It just melts all over the place. I do the Fat Fighters and Thermal Fits this month because, I don't really sell anything that I don't believe in. And if I'm not trying it and really ain't using it, then why should I try to sell it? So these products I do work and use and everything else, and hopefully in time that, everybody will see and understand. And if there's any questions whatsoever, like me sitting here playing with this mask and because it wants to be funkified, but if there's any questions at any time whatsoever, anything that I put up, or and you have a question about, or would like to know more about, just ask me, you know, just put a note inside the little box there that comes underneath the picture and say, hey, can we talk, and sure, we can either go private or we can just communicate back and forth there, or I'll give you my phone number and you give me a buzz. Um, anyway, so so now the time is up. It's been on for 45 minutes, and all you do is you just peel it off. Um, I fold the mask up and set it back inside the little plastic thing, and then I just sit and massage. I mean, it's just like a white thing. I mean, white cream that comes off of it, and I just sit and I massage it in my face. Just massage. You know, work it up, work it all over in your face, and work it around. Just massage it in. I mean, it just feels good because you're just kind of, you're doing your own personal massage, but you could get your girlfriends or your boyfriends if they're into whatever, and you can just sit there and you can do each other. It's like, okay, you rub my face, and then I'll do yours after we do your wrap, and or both wrap each other's faces, and keep going. Oh, I have a freeze up. I don't want to freeze up. Hello. Oh, anyway, so just keep rubbing the solution in. Don't get any in your eye. Wash it out immediately if you do. But just keep massaging your face and keep rubbing the solution in. And as you can see, there's some differences of you. Those that have seen me, earlier, I felt like I had a lot of deep, mellow lines going on in my face, and this is, after the first, and I'll give you a look, see tomorrow, and see if there's any more differentials and anything else. But just keep rubbing it in, get the solution rubbed in really good. It helps, and it's also very relaxing. Smells mintish, mentholating. It's soothing, it's relaxing. You do that a couple of times. It's like it tells you here to leave it on for 45 to 60 minutes. Once removed, gently massage in the remaining lotion and discard facial after use. It says here to remove facial. Let's see, there's something about do it twice, 2 days in a row, and then you should be able to do it at least once a week or once a month or whatever. You just kind of do it a couple of times to kind of get what you need to get out of it, and once that your face feels a little bit better, just once a month, just to keep it up. I mean, it just it's for one, it's relaxing. I mean, when you're stressed up and stuff like that, it just kind of helps tone the textures in your face because you've just been so stressed out and everything else. So, anyways, this is my face after doing one. Um, and I have one more facial left, so that means I need to order some. Um, but I hadn't done facials for probably 5 or 6 months, and I was looking kind of a little drippy there, so I kind of thought, well, let me do a facial, which is good. And we'll talk to you tomorrow. So have a good night, and I hope maybe that you'll be interested in knowing more about this product. And if so, like I said, leave a message, and I'll call you, or you can call me, or we can talk. So thank you, and have a good night. Love y'all. Bye.